Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this quick Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert the division symbol in Word using multiple easy methods. This is perfect for math assignments, equations, reports, worksheets, and educational documents. If you are ever wondered how to type the division sign correctly in Word, this tutorial will show you the fastest ways. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go some down on my assignment. This is my intermediate class coaching assignment. Now I want to add the division symbol. Go to the insert menu, click the equation drop down menu, and I click a blank equation. Then go to the design menu, and we can see here many symbol and sign. Now I am find the division sign and the symbol. This is the fast way to insert it. You can choose Greek letters or the letter and symbol, operators. You can find that. Here the symbol. Otherwise you can make it, press alt 246 on your keyboard, and we can see we make it easily. Now I make the division symbol in multiple way. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.